1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Breathe out. Now with movement of shoulders, same posture. Release your hands in Gyan Mudra or Chin Mudra. Breathe in, move your hands up, shoulders up. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Pull your both the shoulders up as much as possible. Fill your lungs with oxygen. Hold. 1, 2 and 3. Breathe out. Slowly drop your both the shoulders. Now in the same posture with hand movements, bring your both the hands in front of you, palms facing each other. As we inhale, we'll expand our both the hands. Breathe in. Expand your both the hands as much as possible. Your shoulders, your lungs. Breathe out. Breathe in. Deep inhalation. Breathe out. Inhale. Hold the posture. Feel the gentle stretch in your arms, in your shoulders. Expansion of lungs. Hold. 1, 2 and 3. Breathe out. Now move your palms down, palms facing the ground. Breathe in. Raise your both the hands above the head. Pull it up, up, up. Feel the gentle stretch in both the sides of the body. Gentle stretch in your shoulders. Expansion of lungs. Breathe out. Breathe in. Raise your both the hands above the head. Pull it up, up, up for the extra stretch. Breathe out. Last round. Breathe in. Raise your both the hands up, up, up. Hold. 1. Normal breathing. 2 and 3. Breathe out. Now release your both the hands. Now, fourth variation. Keep your both the fingers in your shoulders. Elbows up parallel to the ground. Join both the elbows. Breathe in. Expand as much as possible. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last round. Breathe in. Hold the posture. 1, 2 and 3. Breathe out. Join both the elbows. Circular movement to move the oxygen in all the parts of the lungs. Circular movement. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Reverse. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel the movement of oxygen in all the parts of the lungs. Breathe in. Breathe Last round. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly release your hands. Eyes closed. Feel the effect of all the practices in your body and mind, especially your upper part of the body and your lungs. After sufficient relaxation, now in the same Vajrasana, we will do Supta Vajrasana. So that will help us to increase the breathing capacity. Slowly bend backward, take support of the elbows and try to touch the crown part of the head in the ground. Hold. Pull your lungs up, pull your chest up and crown part of the head on the ground. Stay in the posture. Stay in the posture. 1, 2. Feel the gentle stretch in your thigh, calf muscles, upper part of the body, shoulders, lungs. Feel the movement of the oxygen in all the parts of the lungs. Feel the gentle stretch in the lower part of the abdomen. Hold. Stay in the posture. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now again take slowly support of both the elbows. Breathe in. Breathe out. This is Supta Vajrasana. Very powerful posture. Eyes closed. Face smiling. Feel the effect of the practice in your body and mind. Supta Vajrasana helps you to stress the body completely and at the same time improve your breathing capacity. After sufficient relaxation, now we will start normal exercises. Now stand on your knees, take support of your palm. Now we'll start with Marjariasana, cat pose. Breathe in, raise your head up, back down. Breathe out, pull your back up, head down. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale. Try to see the ceiling. Hold the posture. 1. Visualize the gentle stretch in the lower part of your back. Feel the movement of the spine. Visualize you are becoming free from all the problems of the lower back. 2 and 3. Breathe out. Pull your back up, head down. Hold. 1, 2 and 3. Release. Now in the same posture, tiger stretch. Breathe in. Raise the right hand up, left leg up. Feel the stretch in your arms, thighs, calf muscles, lower back. Breathe out. Try to touch the elbow and the knee. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last round. Breathe in. Hold the posture. Pull your hands up, up, up. Very good. Hold. 1, 2 and 3. Breathe. Now try to touch the elbow and the knee. 1, 2 and 3. Release. Now left hand and the right leg. Complete awareness. Breathe in. Raise the left hand and the right leg up, up, up. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last round. Breathe in. Hold the posture. Pull your hands and legs up as much as possible. Feel the stretch. Very beautiful balancing asana. 1, 2. Don't drop your hands and legs. Hold. And 3. Breathe out. Join your elbow and the knee. Hold. 1, 2. And 3. Release. Relax in Shashankasana. Hands above the head, biceps touching. Hands above the head, biceps touching the ears, forehead on the ground, eyes closed, face smiling. After sufficient relaxation, slowly come up. Now we will do side stretch for the side waist region. Okay. Keep your left hand in the left side, lower parts of the ribs, and as we inhale, we'll raise the right hand up. Breathe in. Raise the right hand above the head. Pull it up, up, up. Breathe out. Bend towards the left. Feel the gentle stretch on the right side, compression on the left side. Breathe in, center. Breathe out, in sync with the breath. Your movement of the body in sync with the breath for the maximum benefit. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold the posture. Stay there. 1, 2 and 3. Breathe in. Pull your hands up, up, up. Breathe out. Slowly drop your right hand. Keep it on the right side. Now left hand, complementary. Breathe in. Raise the left hand above the head. Pull it up, up, up. Breathe out. Slowly bend on the right side. Feel the lateral stretch on the left. Compression on the right. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold the posture. 1, 2 and 3. Breathe in, center. Pull your left hand up, up, up. Breathe out. Slowly release your both the hands. Eyes closed. Feel the effect of the practice in your body and mind, especially your upper part of the body and your lungs. Improved flow of oxygen in the whole body. After sufficient relaxation, now slowly lie down on your abdomen. That is prone posture. Hands above the head, biceps touching the ears, eyes closed, face smiling, body in the straight line. Now, we'll start with Shalbhasana. Okay. Make a fist of your palm. Very good for people, those who have any abdominal issues. Breathe in and out. Keep your right hand below the right thigh. Breathe in and out. Keep your left hand below the left thigh. Now as we inhale, we'll raise our right leg up. Breathe in. Raise our right leg up as much as possible. Up, up, up. Breathe out. Breathe in. Left. Pull your left hand up as much as possible. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Hold the posture. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe out. Now left leg in prone posture. All these asanas automatically improves breathing capacity. Breathe in. Raise the left leg up, up, up as much as possible. Breathe out. Breathe in. Raise the left leg up. Hold. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe out. Now both the legs. Breathe in. Raise both the legs up, up, up. Hold. Stay there. Feel the gentle stretch in the lower part of the abdomen. Don't lift your chin. Hold. 1, 2. Don't bend your knees. 3, 4, and 5. Breathe out. Breathe in and out. Slowly release the right hand. Breathe in and out. Slowly release the left hand. Relax in Makarasana. Chin on the cross arms, legs apart, eyes closed, face smiling. Feel the effect of the practice in your body and mind. After sufficient relaxation, again join both the legs, hands above the head, body in the straight line. Breathe in and out. Keep your both the hands near the shoulders. Breathe in. Slowly bend your left leg 90 degrees. Breathe out. Raise your right leg, right knee on the left foot. Hold. 1, 2. Very good. For those who have lower back problem, if you are able to do this practice, it's very good. If you have any pain or anything, then don't do. 3, 4, and 5. Breathe in. Slowly release the right leg. Breathe out. Slowly release the left leg. Now complementary. Complete awareness. Breathe in. Slowly bend the right leg. Breathe out. Slowly raise the left leg. Left knee on the right foot. Hold. Feel the stretch in the lower part of the abdomen. Gentle stretch in your spine. Very, very good practice. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Breathe in. Slowly release the left leg. Breathe out. Slowly release the right leg. Breathe in and out. Slowly release both the hands. Relax in Makarasana. Eyes closed, face smiling. Feel the effect of the practice in your body and mind. All these are very, very good for breathing, improve oxygen in the body, expansion of lungs, and especially we are doing in a prone posture, it becomes very effective. After sufficient relaxation, now again join both the legs. We will do Dhanurasana. Hands above the head, body in the straight line. Breathe in and out, bend your both the legs. Breathe in and out, hold both the ankles with your both the palms. Now as we inhale, raise our head up and pull the legs towards the body. Breathe in, pull your legs towards the body, head up as much as possible. Feel the total stretch in your body. Hold normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't drop your head. Pull it up, up, up. 5. Breathe in and out. Slowly drop your head. Breathe in and out. Slowly drop your both the legs. Release your hands. Relax in Makarasana. Eyes closed, face smiling. Feel the effect of the practice in your whole body. After sufficient relaxation, again come to Sthiti. Hands above the head, body in the straight line. Now we will do Tiryak Bhujangasana. Very good for the lower back and the upper part of the body. Breathe in and out. Keep your both the hands near the shoulders. Spread your legs little bit. Breathe in, raise your body up. Elbow straight. Breathe out, twist towards the right side. See the left leg from the right side. Left foot from the right side. Feel the twist in the lower part of the body. Breathe in, center. Breathe out, left. Try to see the right foot from the left side. Feel the stretch in this right side and the lower part of the abdomen. Breathe in, center. Breathe out, right. Breathe in, center. Breathe out, left. Breathe in, center. Breathe out, right. Hold the posture. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe in, center. Breathe out, left. Hold the posture. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe in, center. Breathe out. Slowly drop your body. Release your legs. Relax in Makarasana. Feel the effect of the practice in your body and mind. Eyes closed, face smiling. After sufficient relaxation, now we will do Bhujangasana, mountain pose together. Again, hands above the head, biceps touching the ears. Body in the straight line. Breathe in and out. Keep your both the hands near the shoulders. Take support of the toe. Breathe in, raise your body up. Bhujangasana. Knees above the ground. Knees above the ground. Take support of the toe. Breathe out. Come to mountain pose. Touch your ankle to in the ground. Ankle touching the ground for the extra stretch. And breathe in. Raise your head up. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe down. Last round. Breathe in. Hold the posture. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe out. Ankle, touch the ankle to the ground. Hold. Try to see the navel for the extra stretch. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe out. Slowly come to Shashankasana. Relax. Eyes closed. Face smiling. Feel the effect of the practice in your body and mind. Deep inhalation and deep exhalation. After sufficient relaxation, slowly come to Bhujangasana. Slowly come to Bhujangasana. Take support of the toe, knees above the ground. Breathe in, raise your head up. Breathe out. Come to mountain pose again. Now, in this same posture, slowly we'll walk forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come to Padahastasana. Breathe in, raise your both the hands above the head. Come to Hasta Utthanasana. Hold. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Breathe out slowly. Drop both the hands. Relax in Shitila Tadasana. Feel the effect of the practice in your body and mind. Very powerful posture. Hasta Utthanasana. Expands our lungs, expands our shoulders. After sufficient relaxation, come to Sthiti. Legs together, hands by the side of your body. Breathe in and out. Spread your both the legs 2.5 feet apart. Breathe in and out. Raise your both the hands, palms facing the ground. Now, this new variation. As we inhale, we'll try to touch the left palm towards the right palm from up, like this. Then breathe out. Again we'll come to the Sthiti. So turn your palms towards the ceiling, palms facing the roof. Breathe in, bend towards the right. Touch the left palm to the right palm. Breathe out. Now alternate. Breathe in, right palm towards the left palm. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. last round. All these exercises I am doing with breathing in mind, very important at current time. So do it with complete attention. Okay, don't let your mind roam here and there. Breathe in, breathe out. Last round. Breathe in, hold the posture. 1, 2 and 3. Breathe out. Breathe in, hold the posture. 1, 2 and 3. Breathe out. Breathe in and out. Slowly release both the hands. Relax in Shitila Tadasana. Eyes closed. Face smiling. Feel the effect of the practice in your body and mind. Deep inhalation and deep exhalation. After sufficient relaxation, in the same posture, spread your legs 1 to 2.5 feet apart. Raise both the hands in front of you, palms facing each other. Now we'll twist left and right, starting from the right side. 1, 2, other side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Feel the gentle stretch in your waist region. 8, 9 and 10. Hold. 1, 2 and 3. Other side. Twist. Hold. 1, 2 and 3. Breathe out. Slowly drop your both the hands. Relax. Relax in Shitila Tadasana. Eyes closed, face smiling. Feel the effect of the practice in your whole body. After sufficient relaxation, again spread your legs 2 to 2.5 feet apart. Raise up both the hands in front of you. Now, one, we'll raise the right hand up. 2, down. 3, left hand up. 4, down. Okay, but be aware of your breathing. Deep inhalation. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. This will improve your breathing capacity. Do it with complete awareness. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Last round. Breathe in. Raise the right hand up, up, up. Stay there. Hold. 1. Feel the stretch in the right side of your body, your lower part of the abdomen, your lungs, your shoulders. Hold. 1, 2 and 3. Breathe out. Breathe in. Raise the left hand up, up, up. Hold, stay there. 1, 2 and 3. Breathe out. Breathe in and out. Slowly drop your both the hands. Now, again raise both the hands, palms facing the down. One more variation. Breathe in. Push your both the elbows back. Bend. Breathe out. 1. Little fast. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Breathe out. Release. Relax. In Shitila Talasana. Release your legs. Eyes closed. Face smiling. Feel the effect of all the practices in your body and mind. Feel the improved breathing capacity, expansion of lungs, gentle stretch in the side region, your right side and your left side, a gentle stretch in the lower abdomen, your waist region. Your whole body is free from all the tensions and worries. After sufficient relaxation, now we will do 6 rounds of Surya Namaskar. That will also help us to improve the immunity and improve breathing capacity. And we'll do with Soham chanting. That will again multiply the effect many folds. Face towards the east. Face towards the east. Come to the front part of the mat. Adopt Namaskar Mudra. Visualize the golden rising sun in front of you. Visualize all the good qualities of the sun. Energy, vitality, compassion, non-discrimination, punctuality. With all these qualities in mind, we will chant Omkara followed by opening prayer. Breathe in. Om Hiranmayena Patrena Satyasyapi hitam mukham Tattvam pushanna pavrino Satyadharmaya drishtaye Om Ram Mitraya Namaha. We'll do with Soham chanting. Breathe in, so within your mind. And hum will be through throat region, loud. Hum. As you breathe out, you have to chant hum with the throat region. Right leg back. Breathe in, so within your mind. Hum. So. Hum. Breath retained outside. Ashtang Namaskara. Hold the breath. Breathe in, so. Hum. Breathe in, so. Hum. Right leg front. Breathe in, so. Hum. Breathe in, so. hum. So to conclude, so will be in your mind. When you breathe in, you have to chant so in your mind. But when you breathe out, you have to chant hum loud with your throat region. Okay? So now I will not tell so, I will also chant so in my mind, but hum I will chant loud. Okay? From the throat region. This will increase the effect very, this will multiply the effect very much. Okay? Many folds. Om Rim Ravaye Namaha. Breathe in. Hum. Left leg back. Breathe in. Hum. Breathe in. Hum. Breath retained outside. Ashtanga Namaskara. Breathe in. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Hum. Breathe in. Hum. Left leg front. Breathe in. Hum. Breathe in. Hum. Om Rum Suryaya Namaha. Breathe in. Hum. Right leg back. Breathe in. Hum. Breathe in. Hum. Breath retained outside. Ashtanga Namaskara. Breathe in. Hum. Breathe in. Hum. Right leg front. Breathe in. Hum. Breathe in. Hum. Enjoy each and every moment in sync with the breath. Om Raim Bhanave Namaha. Breathe in. Hum. Left leg back. Breathe in. Hum. Breathe in. Hum. Breath retained outside. Ashtanga Namaskara. Breathe in. Hum. Breathe in. Hum. Left leg front. Breathe in. Hum. Breathe in. Visualize the blessings of Sun God in and around you. Om Raum Khagaya Namaha. Breathe in. Right leg back. Breathe in. Breathe in. Ashtanga Namaskara. Breath retained outside. Breathe in. Breathe in. Right leg front. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Last round. Om Raha Pushne Namaha. Breathe in. Left leg back. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breath retained outside. Ashtanga Namaskara. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe in. Left leg front. Breathe in. Breathe in. Relax in Shitila Tadasana. Eyes closed. Hope all of you can feel the vibration, the effect of Soham chanting with Surya Namaskar. Your whole mind is calm and relaxed, full of positive energy. A very, very powerful posture. Practice. After sufficient relaxation, again join your both the legs. Get Namaskar Mudra. Feel the blessings of the Sun God in and around you. Sun God has blessed us with all the good qualities, with all the sankalpa with which we started the practice. We'll take a deep inhalation. Omkara chanting followed by closing prayer. Breathe in. Om Adideva Namastobhyam Prasida Mama Bhaskara Divakara Namastobhyam Prabhakara Namostute Prabhakara Namostute. Thanks on God. Now slowly sit in Vajrasana, Sukhasana or any other comfortable posture. We will do some 5 minutes breathing exercises, that is to connect the body and the mind. So stay with me and enjoy breathing practices. Sit in Vajrasana. Better if you are in Vajrasana. We'll start with Kapalbhati Pranayama. It will clean all the impurities from the mind and improve your breathing capacity. So today all the asanas what we did is to improve our breathing, improve our awareness and improve the flow of oxygen in the whole body. Very important asanas and practices we did today. Now last 3, Kapalbhati, Anulom Vilom and Brahmani Pranayama. These are also very powerful. Don't miss it. We'll start with Kapalbhati. Take a deep inhalation and continuous exhalation from the abdominal region. Breathe in. Continuous exhale. We will do 3 sets or for 2 minutes. Okay, we will do for 2 minutes continuously. So that will take care of the number of rounds. Breathe in. Continuous exhalation from the abdominal region. Mouth closed. Try not to move your shoulders and your lungs, only the abdominal region. We just want to activate the abdominal region. If you exhaust your breath, again take a deep inhalation and continue the practice. Last round, take a deep inhalation, breathe in, After sufficient practice, just relax. Keep your eyes closed. Feel the calmness in and around you. Feel the positive vibration in and around you. Now we will practice Anulom Vilom Pranayama 10 rounds in the ratio of 1:1:1. That means we'll inhale for 3 counts, count mentally 3 while you are inhaling. Hold the breath for 3 counts in your mind. 1, 2, 3. Exhale for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Like that. So that is called in the ratio of 1:1:1. Again, this is very powerful practice when you practice in ratio 1:1:1, because it balances your inhalation, your hold and your exhalation. Very powerful practice. So do it carefully and with complete surrender. This will help you to balance your mind also, and will also improve, because we are holding, it will also improve your breathing capacity. Okay. So Anulom Vilom Pranayama balances your right and the left brain, your Ida and the Pingla Nadi, and now we are doing this with 1:1:1. So it will have manifold effect. Okay. So let's start. Adopt Nasika Mudra. Bend your middle finger and the little finger and your index finger. Close the right nostril. Breathe in. Hold for 3 counts. Breathe out 3 counts. Do it for 10 rounds. Last round. Feel the calmness of the mind. Feel the positive vibration in and around you. Complete silence of the mind. Keep your eyes closed for the maximum benefit. After sufficient relaxation, now we'll do Brahmani Pranayama. Do it with complete dedication. Brahmani helps us to improve the nitric oxide in the body. It helps us to build the immunity in our body, and also very effective in cases of corona. Nitric oxide in the recent research. So do it with complete dedication and surrender. We'll take a deep inhalation and we'll do a humming sound from the throat region, and we'll do this with Khechari Mudra. So again, Khechari Mudra itself is a powerful practice, and then we do this Brahmani with Khechari Mudra. It will increase the effect many folds. Okay, so take your tongue out, twist it back, try to touch the upper part of the palate. 5 rounds. Close your both the ears. Breathe in. Keep your eyes closed. Feel the positive vibration in your mind. Improved silence, improved calmness, improved awareness after all the practices we did today. Visualize the benefits of all the asanas and practices. Your whole body is illuminating with light and energy. Your mind is calm and relaxed. With this beautiful feeling of positive vibration in and around us, we will chant Omkara followed by closing prayer. Adopt Namaskar Mudra. Breathe in. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhatrani pashyantu. Ma kasye dukha bhag bhavet. लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्षे यमामृतात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Hold your right wrist with the left palm. Breathe in, slowly bend backward, expand your lungs, expand your shoulders. Breathe out, bend from the root of your back, forehead on the ground. Salute Mother Earth, parents, Guru and Almighty. Appreciate yourself for doing yoga today. Breathe in, slowly come up. Release your hands. Dhanavada. Do palming, generate the heat. Give a gentle massage to your eyes, eyebrows, forehead, chin, cheek, ears. Again do palming, generate the heat. Give a gentle massage to your neck, shoulders, lungs, abdomen, back, thigh and calf muscles, hands. Thank you. Thank you all of you for joining the session. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Narasimha. Thank you, Alok ji. Thank you, Jaydeep. Thank you, Sapna. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thanks, Neeraj. Bye.